like browsing in the internet? Using virtual network where you can post, share, create videos, or exchange information with others? I assume you do, so keep watching because this is for you. Avoid plagiarism. Don't own someone else's work. Learn how to give credit to the rightful owner, or cite the sources. Fourth, avoid cyberbullying. Hurting others doesn't mean you're strong, so please don't be a bully. Fifth, respect others' privacy. Know your limits. Do not make others become uncomfortable with your behavior. Lastly, always use your manner. A friendly reminder, don't use most of your time to your phone. Do something and enrich your health.